this is Emily coming at you from Prince George Ford, and today we're looking at the 2025 Ford F-150 Lariat. Coming in this nice black color, and this vehicle is powered by a 3.5-liter V6 EcoBoost engine, has four-wheel drive capabilities, and comes equipped with the mobile office package, bed utility package, tow and haul, and the black appearance package. Taking a look at the back here, we do get a tow hitch, we got rear park sensing, backup camera. We do get our nice Pro Access tailgate, which allows you to have easier access to your bed with a nice Bedliner. Hooks and doodads to hold your gear down. You got a light here that you can turn on and off. You got a 120-volt outlet. Measurements on the gate, which is pretty handy, and it is powered, so it will go down automatically. And let's just say you're holding a lot of stuff in your hands and you want to lift up your gate. All you have to do, knee it up, and it will go up automatically. We got mud flaps on the rear. A nice black platform grip to running board with mud flaps on the front, trailer tow mirrors with blind spot detection, side view camera, spotlight and turn light indicated, and move to the front we have that nice black hood deflector, recovery hooks, lock heater, front park sensing, front view camera, and that nice Ford grille. Taking a look on the inside, we can see this vehicle does seat up to 5 pretty comfortably. We have this nice black leather interior, plenty of door space, floor mats, carpet interior, flat fold storage system with cup holders, rear vents, 2 USB-Cs, and 2 heated back seats, 120 volt, and of course you can fold this down for cup holders and arm space. And we do get a nice split folding rear bench seat, which is perfect for extra storage. Taking a look at the driver's side now, we can see here we have a power driver seat with the same leather interior we saw in the back there. Plenty of door space up front, power door mirrors, memory seating for up to 3 drivers, auto stop and start, lights, spotlights, parking brake, and pedal adjusters all on your left-hand side. Taking a look at the vehicle while it's running, we can see here that the odometer is sitting at 21 kilometers. We do get this heated leather-wrapped steering wheel, toggle-free screen, phone and media, volume, voice, and cruise control. Looking here, we have My View, Trip and Feel, your heads-up display, which you can sort of kind of see on the vehicles ahead of me. Just limits your distractions so you can keep your eyes on the road. Gauges, off-road, towing, status info, navigation, phone, audio, vehicle maintenance, and other settings. To my right, we have our gear select with your speeds. It is collapsible, storage, cup holders, leather up center console that does turn into an interior work surface. Put your laptop here, put your food, totally up to you. And you do get your regular storage underneath as well. Wireless charging pad with some outlets. It does close. Rear locking diff, 4-wheel drive, and drive modes. Trailer brake, Pro Trailer Assist. We have heated and cooled front seats. Dual climate, 12 volt and 120. Storage above and below. Storage right here. We do get a nice powered rear window opener, as well as our features for our twin panel moonroof, which provides excellent lighting for the vehicle. And looking here, we have our park assist, which is just your sensing. You do get Ford's BLUECRUISE, which is Ford's highway self-driving. And looking at our main screen here, we do get a nice 360 view of the vehicle, where you can change the different camera angles, hazards, traction, all that jazz. And we have our audio, which has AM, FM, Bluetooth, and Sirius XM. You got your phone controls, navigation, fave apps such as messaging, email, zone lighting, all that jazz, and any apps you may download will show up right here with your Apple CarPlay and Android Auto, settings, and your features of the vehicle. If interested, the stock number for this vehicle is FA59579, and you can head on down to PG Ford or give us a call.